We're continuously told that we're running our machines hard. We always run our machines hard. We've always done that. But now the machines never stop. So what's your true overhead at that? By going with a more expensive machine center or a more capable machine center, it actually lowered our overhead, which allowed us to pass cost savings on to our customers. And the UMC has really allowed us to also put very complicated parts and break it down to a one load, so you're not looking for a fifth axis machinist. You can have an operator run an extremely complicated part. So it's allowing us to train individuals and bring them on board to run much more complicated parts than they traditionally could have. Hi, I'm John from Samson Manufacturing, coming from Keene, New Hampshire. Samson Manufacturing just celebrated our 30-year anniversary. We started off as a job shop. About 20 years ago, we started our own brand per se, and as that's grown, we've still kept our roots in job shop, where we do a lot of rapid prototyping, design to development for not only our brand, but a lot of major manufacturers in the industry. One of the main reasons we went with the pallet pool versus the Cobot or another Fanuc robot was the versatilities that the pallet pool afforded us, so that we had multiple jobs set up, and with the mere calling up a programming and scheduling a pallet, we could run a mixed model through that machine center without having downtime, without designating two large runs between integrations. Once we've got our first UMC 500 installed, I believe it was about 3 months, and then we had put another one on order. So by being able to transition from 2 shifts manned over to the UMC, we've more than tripled our output. Machining a pre-hardened 416 casting that's sitting around 48 to 52 Rockwell. From our vertical machine center running a 4th axis, we were producing about 35 units, maybe 40 units on a good day with about 7 to 10% fallout, to be able to increase it up to about 110 units every single day.
If I had to pick, I would only run 5-axis, and a UMC makes it that much better being fully integrated. It really gives you the confidence to make a variety of parts and really sculpt what you want into shape regardless of its features or hole positions. It's really given us the ability to take on new, harder jobs.
Traditionally, through industry, stuff breaks and machines do go down. Early on, Haas has really supported us and the growth of the company. Our average turnaround time with our HFO has been, our best has been, I call them at 4 o'clock that afternoon. We'll have an individual at our door 6 o'clock the next morning. And our worst has been, a day and a half that we've been down. As Haas continues to develop additional machining centers and we continue to grow in not only our capabilities and capacity, then I really see us to continue to adapt and grow and bring on additional Haas platforms.